Hello everyone, here is Alex. Today we visited a manufacturer who makes LED lamps. They combine several QM61 PNP into the automatic SMT line. Let's take a look at the production. Quick mode speed. They selected electric feeder to ensure the stability of component supply. Another QM61 machine they use normal mode speed. Suitable for your customers who want more better quality boards. Please click the subscribe button to follow videos update. More details you can also visit our official website. Follow us. We'll stay updated via social media. Thanks for watching this video. We look forward to your more attention and contact.